Diseases of pomegranate. First is Sarcospora fruit spot. Sarcospora fruit spot of pomegranate is caused by Sarcospora punici, that is a fungi. It has no sexual stage. Symptoms on leaves and fruits, on twigs. Infected twigs dry out and die. Leaves and fruits, light brown spots on leaves and fruits enlarge and coalesce to form black patches. Black elliptical flattened depressed spots with a raised margin on the twigs. Sarcospora fruit spot of pomegranate is caused by Sarcospora punici. Epidemiology or favorable conditions for disease emergence: rainfall, water saturated soil. Management: cultural, remove and destroy diseased fruits. Pruning of infected twigs and branches. Chemical: apply carbendazim at the rate 1 gram per liter of water. So Sarcospora leaf spot of pomegranate is caused by Sarcospora punici. It has no sexual stage. So which type of fungi that causes Sarcospora fruit spot has no sexual stage? Sarcospora punici of pomegranate. Symptoms on leaves and fruits and twigs. Then second type of disease of pomegranate is heart rot or black heart. Alternaria fruit spot. Heart rot or black heart or alternaria fruit spot by Alternaria species. Symptoms on fruits. Internal symptoms: internal fruit rotting. Infected fruits are lighter in weight and paler in color than healthy fruits. External: no external symptoms. Heart rot or black heart or Alternaria fruit spot is caused by Alternaria species in pomegranate. Heart rot or black heart or Alternaria fruit spot is caused by Alternaria species in pomegranate. Symptoms on fruits: internal and external symptoms. Internal symptoms on fruits: internal fruit rotting. Infected fruits are lighter in weight and paler in color than healthy fruits. External: no external symptoms. Epidemiology: high moisture level during flowering. Management: cultural, collect and destroy affected fruits. Chemical: spray mancozeb at the rate 0.25% or Captan at the rate 0.25%. Heart rot or black heart or Alternaria fruit spot is caused by Alternaria species. Only internal damage, infections on the fruits, no external damage. Internal rotting. High moisture level during flowering is the epidemiology. During flowering stage. Then the third type of disease of pomegranate is the leaf spot. Leaf spot is caused by both fungi and bacteria. Fungi, 3 species: Pseudosarcospora punici, Carvularia lunata and Coletotrichum gliosporioids. Bacteria species: Xanthomonas punici. So leaf spot of pomegranate is caused by both fungi and bacteria. So which type of disease in which both fungi and bacteria causes one disease? That is in case of pomegranate. It is leaf spot that is caused by both fungi and bacteria. Fungi, 3 types of species of fungi: Pseudosarcospora punici, Carvularia lunata and Coletotrichum gliosporioids. Bacteria species: Xanthomonas punici. So what are the 3 species of fungi? Coletotrichum gliosporioids, Carvularia lunata and Pseudosarcospora punici, Xanthomonas punici. Coletotrichum gliosporioids, Carvularia lunata and Pseudosarcospora punici, and the bacterial species is Xanthomonas punici. Symptoms on leaves and fruits. On leaves: indefinite black spots on the upper surface of leaf extend rapidly. On fruits: blackish or brownish spots. So symptoms on leaves and fruits: indefinite black spots on the upper surface of leaf that extend rapidly, and on fruits: blackish or brownish spots. Management: chemical spray diethane M45 at the rate 0.2% or copper oxychloride at the rate 0.2% or Captan at the rate 0.1% at 15 days interval. How many days interval chemical spray? 15 days interval. Leaf spot of pomegranate. Post-harvest diseases of pomegranate. Post-harvest diseases can be controlled by pre-infection deep in 2,4-D at the rate 500 ppm. Spray sulfur compounds on packing straw. How do you control the post-harvest diseases of pomegranate? The post-harvest diseases of pomegranate can be controlled by pre-infection dip in the 2,4-D at the rate 500 ppm. Spray sulfur compounds on the packing straw. Pre-infection dip in 2,4-D at the rate 500 ppm and spray sulfur compounds on the packing straw. Aspergillus rot. Post-harvest diseases are Aspergillus rot by Aspergillus nidulans, internal rot by Aspergillus clavatus, soft rot by Rhizopus erizus, Spicaria rot by Spicaria species, black mold, Aspergillus niger, Botrytidiplodia rot, Botrytidiplodia theobromii, Penicillium rot by Penicillium expansum. So, what are the post-harvest diseases of pomegranate? Aspergillus rot by Aspergillus nidulans, internal rot by Aspergillus clavatus, soft rot by Rhizopus erizus, Spicaria rot by Spicaria species, black mold by Aspergillus niger, Botrytis diplodia rot by Botrytidiplodia theobromii, and Penicillium rot by Penicillium expansum. Aspergillus nidulans, internal rot by Aspergillus clavatus, soft rot by Rhizopus erizus, Spicaria rot by Spicaria species, black mold by Aspergillus niger, Botrytidiplodia rot, Botrytidiplodia theobromii, and Penicillium rot by Penicillium expansum.